Welcome student. Today we solve question by quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? This formula is known as quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula is known as quadratic formula. अब हमें क्या करना है? For quadratic equation, find the root of quadratic equation. Now we have two methods. First is factorization. Factorization means split the middle term. Second method is quadratic formula. Quadratic formula, x is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is quadratic equation. First, change equation in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. b is equals to coefficient of x and a is coefficient of x square. C is known as constant term. Put the value of a, b and c in this formula and find out the value of x. It means it is its root. Clear? Now two method, one is quadratic, second one is factorization. For quadratic equation, use this formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Second type question. Find the root of the equation if they exist. Exist means if the value of b square minus 4ac. If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of this equation is real. When the value of b square minus 4ac is greater and equals to 0, जब ये condition होगी b square minus 4ac value greater and equals to 0, in that condition value of x is real and we find only real roots. If the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it means b square minus 4ac value is negative, then the equation have no real roots. No real roots. In this case, no need to find the roots. We find root only that condition when the roots of the equations are real. It means b square minus 4ac is greater and equals to 0. This b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant and it is denoted by capital D. Now solve the question. These are three conditions. A quadratic equation has x is equals to, for this equation we find the two value for x, two distinct roots. If the value of x is different, two distinct roots के लिए क्या equations हो, क्या condition होगी? b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, it means the equation has two distinct root. मतलब इसकी x की value क्या निकल के आएंगी? Different. Second condition, if two equal roots, suppose in the any case x is equals to 2 and other value of x is also 2. This type of condition is known as equal roots. ये कैसी condition है? Equal root. For equal root, कब ये equal roots होंगे? When b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. जब कंडीशन क्या होगी? b square minus 4ac equals to 0 and that condition, in this condition equation has equal roots. Third condition, no real roots. No real roots means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It means its value is negative. ये 3 points आपने learn करना है. A quadratic, for quadratic equation, two distinct root. What is the condition for two distinct root? Discriminate b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. For equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equals to 0 and no real roots, b square minus 4ac value is less than 0. It means it is a negative value. Now solve question 4.3. Find the roots of following quadratic equation if they exist. How we find if they exist? We find out the value of b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac value is greater and equals to 0, it means its real root exists. If b square minus 4ac value is 0, if b square minus 4ac value is negative, b square minus 4ac less than 0, then no need to find out the roots. Find the root of the quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. अब हम इसको यहाँ पे किस मेथड से सॉल्व करेंगे? बाय द मेथड ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. We solve the equation by quadratic formula. First find the value of b square minus 4ac. First question. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. First find out the value of a, b and c. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is constant. Formula: x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First find out the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. What is the value of b? Minus 7. b square means 49 minus 4. Value of a is 2 and value of c is 3. Solve the value. It is a 25. It means it is greater than 0. Its value. The equation has real roots. Now find the real roots by quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the value of a, b and c. X is equals to 7 plus minus under root 25 upon 4. Under root 25 means 5. X is equals to 7 plus minus 5 upon 4. First case, when we take plus sign, 7 plus 5 upon 4. 7 plus 5 is equals to 12. One root is 3 and another root is 1 upon 2. Next part. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equals to 0. A is equals to 2, b is equals to 1, c is equals to minus 4. First find the value of b square minus 4ac. If the value of b square minus 4ac greater than and equals to 0, तभी इसकी क्या एग्जिस्ट करेंगे? रूट. अदरवाइज द इक्वेशन हैज़ नो रियल रूट्स. b square minus 4ac. Value is 33. Now use the quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula is known as quadratic formula. Put the value of a, b and c. Now x is equals to minus b, b is equals to 1 plus minus value of c minus 4, value of a is equals to 2 and b square minus 4ac value is 33. One root is minus 1 plus under root 33 upon 4 and next one is x is equals to minus 1 minus under root 33 upon 4. Next question. A is equals to 4, b is equals to 4 root 3 and c is equals to 4. First check the equation has real root and imaginary root. B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is equals to 0. It means this equation has equal roots. Use the formula. X is equals to quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the value and find out the value of x. X is equals to minus under root 3 upon 2. Because b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, the equation has equal roots. X is equals to minus root 3 upon 2. Next question. टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स प्लस 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. ये एक है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. फॉर दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फर्स्ट चेक कि इसके रूट एग्जिस्ट भी कर रहे हैं या नहीं. हाफ वी चेक फॉर द बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. हम इससे चेक करेंगे बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. ए बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज ग्रेटर एंड इक्वल्स टू 0, then roots are exist. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, it means the equation has no real roots. b square minus 4ac. Put the value of a, b and c. b square minus 4ac value is negative. It means in this part The equation has no real roots. Now next exercise. Exercise 4.4. Find the nature of the root. Nature of a root means roots are equal, roots are distinct and no real roots. How we find b square minus 4ac? If real roots exist means b square minus 4ac value is greater than or equals to 0, then find them. इस क्वेश्चन को भी आप पहले एक्सरसाइज की तरह कर लेंगे. a इज इक्वल्स टू 2, b इज इक्वल्स टू -3 एंड c इज इक्वल्स टू 5. फर्स्ट चेक b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac greater than equals to 0, then find the roots. Otherwise, no need to find the value of roots. Nature of a root means these are the nature of roots. Two distinct roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, it means two distinct roots. Two equal roots condition, b square minus 4ac equals to 0. No real root condition, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It means it is a negative value. Now solve next question. It is important question. Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equation so that they have equal roots. Equal roots, what is the condition for equal roots? Equal roots condition, b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now we use this condition, b square minus 4ac equals to 0, because in this question it is given the equation has equal roots and find out the value of k. Now solve question. 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals to 0. Condition is given b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Put the value of a, b and c and find out the value of k. Now k is equals to plus minus 2 root 6. In next part, kx x minus 2 plus 6. First write the equation in the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then use this condition b square minus 4ac equals to 0 and find out the value of k. In this case k is equals to 6. इस condition में k की value होगी 6. Because if you write k is equals to 0, अगर आप k equals to को क्या रख देंगे 0. If you write k is equals to 0, अगर हम क्या value रख देते हैं k equals to 0, it is not a quadratic equation. ये क्या नहीं आएगी फिर quadratic equation. यहाँ पे एक point given है. A quadratic equation in the variable x is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real number and one condition is given, a not equals to 0. Therefore, a की value क्या नहीं होनी चाहिए 0. Same condition for this question, value of k not equals to 0. इस k की भी क्या value नहीं होगी 0 नहीं होगी. Use the formula b square minus 4ac equals to 0. Now k is equals to 6.